Hello, my name is Rafael Flores and I will be showing you the application called NMap. So to start off, we're going to want to download it. And to do that, just go to your browser, type in NMap, click on this link right here with this URL, and it'll take you to their homepage where it lists some options, or not options, but features about the application. Go ahead and hit download. Scroll down until you see your OS. And since I'm using a PC, I'll be getting the Microsoft version. And since I actually already have the application downloaded and installed, we'll go ahead and jump right in. But first, a little bit about the app. So what is it? NMap is a network scanning tool that allows you to scan a network and find information about it. Potentially, this would be the first step that a hacker would use to try and crack or get into your network. So once you have it downloaded and installed, go ahead and go to your command prompt. And the first thing you want to type in is nmap -h. And here it'll just list some options and features about the app that you can change through the command prompt. It's a very detailed app and you can do a lot with it. But to start, our first scan will be of the server that NMap actually offers for free. So scanning a network is illegal if you don't have written permission, but NMap offers its users a server where they can scan and play around with their application so that they won't be committing crimes. And to scan, you want to type in nmap-v and then the IP or the URL of what you're trying to scan. So go ahead and put that in. This is actually the IP for the server. You can do that, or you can just type in scanme.nmap.org. And so the application is starting, and here you can see that the open ports that are on the network. So 2280 are open. 22 is SSH, I believe. 80 is for internet, and then these two bottom ports are open. And down here it tells you the total number of ports that it searched. So it searched 1,000 total ports. And here it actually shows you filtered ports that it searched. So it found these, but they weren't open, and it also found 992 that were closed. So that's the first part. And then for the next thing, just type in same nmap, and then just add 2 hyphens if list space, and then go ahead and hit enter. And this actually shows you the interfaces and the routes that the data takes when it's in the network. So here you can see that this machine, the MAC address for this machine is right here. You can see its connection type, so it's connected through Ethernet, and the status. So right now it's down. And these machines, you can see Ethernet up, and then the loopbacks just for software. And here you can see the routes that the data takes if it's flowing through. And I would scroll down more, but it actually shows my personal IP address, and I don't want that floating around in the internet. So yeah. And another cool thing that NMap offers is actually ZenMap, which is just a GUI for the application. So if you're intimidated by the command prompt at all, you can use this. It's the UI is a lot more friendly. The target, just type in the IP, which is for the server. Here it lets you do intent scan, quick scan, regular scan. We'll just do a regular scan. It's gonna go ahead and start. And the reason why it's taking so long is, of course, it's searching through 1,000 ports, so it's gonna take some time to find all of them. And if you look here, this is actually the same list that we got here. It's just a lot more pretty, and it offers the UI is Actually very friendly. It shows which ones are up. See, the greens are up. These are filtered. Topology, there's not much going on here, just a little bit. Host details. Here you can actually see the IP address. So that's the IP address we used. And the name. So this would be the URL. And yeah. So that's the application NMap. Thank you for watching.